Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
On 19th April 2023, the group chairman of Safran called on PM Narendra Modi to discuss technological partnership with Safran in defense and space. During Aero India 2023, Safran helicopter engines and HL have signed a workshare agreement for joint development of engine intended for the future 13-term IMRH and its naval version DBMRH. This agreement follows the Memorandum of Understanding signed on 8 July 2022 and stipulates the sharing of activities within joint venture where both parties have agreed on equivalent repartition. In particular, HAL will take part in design, development and production of some of the core engine components, which is a breakthrough achievements in terms of expertise and know-how in the country. The AMCA project director had also said that AMCA Mark 1 will fly on existing 90 kN class engine, which is GF414 from US, and AMCA Mark 2 will be powered by a powerful engine to be developed indigenously by GTRE in partnership with a foreign OEM. Talks between India and France to conclude a deal for joint development of a high thrust class engine for AMCA are at advanced stages. The French engine maker Safran has developed and is in process of developing various engines to power the fighter aircrafts. The most famous of them is Snecma M88 series of engine, which has many variants. The M88-2 produces 50 kN of dry thrust and 75 kN with afterburners. Two engines of this variant are used in Rafale fighter jets. The M88-3 produces 93 kN of thrust with afterburner. It was developed for a single-engine light combat aircraft. The M88-4 produces 105 kN of thrust with afterburner. It is developed for medium-weight single-engine fighter jet. Most likely, the France engine maker Safran will offer M88-4 engine or its variant to India, as it is close to AMCA thrust requirement but still underpowered. Safran and GTRE may work on scaled-up version of this engine to be able to generate thrust greater than 110 kilonewtons. In April 2021, MTU Aero Engines, Safran Aircraft Engines and ITP Aero came to an overall agreement on cooperation to provide a jointly developed, produced and supported engine to power the next generation fighter, which is a core element of FCAS, that is Future Combat Air System. Safran Aircraft Engines will lead the engine's overall design and integration, while MTU Aero Engines will lead the engine service activities. ITP Aero will be fully integrated into the design of the engine and develop the low pressure turbine and nozzle amongst other items. The next generation fighter aircraft will have much higher thrust requirement when compared with existing fighters like Rafale. The higher thrust means higher temperature, which will be experienced inside the engine core and fan blades. The temperature can reach as high as 1827 degrees Celsius at the turbine jet inlet, which is 250 degrees more than what is experienced by M88 engines. The metal alloys present in M88 engines cannot sustain such high temperature. To achieve this, French General Directorate of Armaments (DGA), French National Aerospace Research Center (ONERA) and Safran are working together on accelerating the development of new metal alloys and multi-layer system for high temperature application on turbine blades and discs. This development is also important as it may help India if it goes ahead with France for engine development for AMCA Mark II program.
This was today's update. Please let us know your views on this in comment section. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind. We'll soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.